We're here at Cardiff Met for the first time. I think it's clear why we've come here, because the facilities are fantastic, both indoors and outdoors. We've had 2 guest speakers so far. They've been really good interactive sessions, and all we can hope is they take things on board and take things into the new season.
The intensity of the Welsh Premier League increases every year, and we as referees have to adapt and we have to go with the intensity. So to be able to do the physical test this morning, making sure that everyone was in good physical condition going into the new season, and the lectures this afternoon, learning from experienced colleagues and learning from each other as well. We never stop learning as referees, so when we come to the conferences we always pick something new up. It doesn't matter how experienced you've been, you still learn something new when you come to these events.
As a player, I'd listen to the coaches, I wanted to always improve, so there's no difference. I come into things like this, the conference, and I'm always trying to learn. Every game is a learning curve. I've got a really good support network. Ray's brilliant with me, and all the referees and the observers, they're all there to sort of give me support, and I feel that I have benefited from that really, as well as being an ex-player. You don't have to hang up your boots completely, you can still be part of the whole game, and the pre-match is a little bit different because you're not with your big squad of players, but you're still part of a team, and that's what I love, being in the conference now, and there's so many of us, and it's the laugh that you have around it. It's I'd definitely say to other players, there's a future after playing football to referee.
A lot of people think that refereeing is a very lonely job, but it's not. I mean, we have fantastic support from the Football Association of Wales, so if anything happens during the match, we're always supported. We have colleagues who are always at the end of the telephone if anything goes wrong. It's a really good way to keep fit if you're interested in keeping fit, and as I said, it's a very good way to still be involved with football.